I want to talk a little bit about escalation clause. What is it? Why do people use it? So it's really a tool in multiple offer situation. And basically what it is, in the offer, buyer puts in a price. Say they come in at $500,000, but they say in that, with that initial offer, that they're willing to go X amount of dollars over the next bona fide and verifiable offer. So they come in at 500, someone else comes in at 510, but their 500 has a $5,000 escalation clause over the next highest buyer. That puts them at 515. And so we see that a lot in this competitive seller's market where there's low inventory and we have lots of bids. It is a tool that can help a buyer get a property over someone else and help the seller get the highest price possible. So that's an escalation clause. If you want to know more about some of these tools as a buyer or a seller, understand what you might see, feel free to reach out. Let us know what other tools buyers are using right now to help them find a house, and sellers, what you might see with these buyers when you're selling.